Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy dividend stocks on Fidelity. First, ensure you have an active Fidelity brokerage account. Next, we will explore how to identify suitable dividend-paying companies using Fidelity's research tools. Then, I'll guide you through the process of placing a buy order for your chosen stocks. Finally, we'll touch on managing your dividend portfolio for long-term growth and income. To research dividend stocks, utilize Fidelity's powerful screening tools. You can filter by dividend yield, payout ratio, and other key metrics. Focus on companies with a strong history of consistent dividend payments and a sustainable payout ratio, ideally below 60%. Review the company's financial health to ensure they can continue paying dividends in the future. This due diligence is crucial for successful dividend investing. Once you've identified a stock, log into your Fidelity account and search for its ticker symbol. Click Trade and then select Buy. Enter the exact number of shares you want to acquire. You can choose between a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, which lets you specify a maximum price you're willing to pay. Review your order carefully before submitting it. After purchasing, regularly monitor your dividend payments. You can often choose to automatically reinvest these dividends, which can significantly boost your long-term returns through compounding. Periodically review your portfolio's overall performance and ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Diversification across various sectors is key to mitigating risk. Stay updated on company news and broader market trends to make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.